Nearly 75% of SUV buyers end up regretting their choice within the first 2 years. You hand over a massive down payment, expecting reliability, only to get hit with terrible gas mileage and surprise repairs that leave you stranded on the side of the road. The problem starts at the dealership. Most buyers only look at the sticker price and the monthly payment, but the sticker price is deceptive. The real metric you need to watch is total cost of ownership, a number that factors in the rapid depreciation of the vehicle's value and the thousands you will spend at the mechanic shop over a decade. This graph tracks cumulative costs over a 5-year timeline to show exactly how that math plays out. The red line represents the average SUV, which can cost nearly $10,000 a year to maintain and insure. The green line shows a reliable model, where basic upkeep can drop to under $50 a year. To keep you on that green line, we are counting down 9 SUVs engineered with conservative, proven technology. These are vehicles specifically built to reach 300,000 miles without catastrophic mechanical failures. We will reveal the #1 cheapest SUV to maintain, but we also need to look at the other end of the spectrum. Later on, I'll expose 2 incredibly popular SUVs that look great on paper, but act as hidden financial traps for their owners. Choosing a reliable SUV prevents your transportation from becoming a constant drain on your household budget. When you select a vehicle that avoids the service lane and holds its resale value, you stop the cycle of a high-maintenance liability. Coming in at number 9 is the Subaru Outback. Back in the 90s, Subaru took the practical space of a family wagon and added rugged utility, effectively creating the original crossover. This diagram shows a top-down view of the Outback's chassis, highlighting how Subaru's standard symmetrical all-wheel drive operates. By delivering power to all 4 wheels simultaneously, the system is actively distributing mechanical stress evenly across the drivetrain. That even wear prevents single components from taking all the abuse, reducing unexpected repair costs over time. At number 8 is the Hyundai Santa Fe. A decade ago, Hyundai was viewed strictly as a budget brand. Today, they have completely overhauled their engineering to make the Santa Fe a serious contender in long-term reliability. What really helps manage your money here is their 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. By legally binding themselves to cover the engine and transmission for a decade, Hyundai transfers the financial risk of a major mechanical failure away from your bank account and back to the manufacturer. Combining a proven, low-stress drivetrain architecture with a long-term warranty removes much of the financial risk of owning a fine-mileage vehicle. You can plan your monthly expenses with more accuracy and fewer expensive surprises. Moving to number 7, we have the Acura RDX. While many buyers rush toward European badges, the RDX is a highly underrated option that delivers premium comfort while hiding mainstream running costs under its luxury exterior. From 2013 to 2018, the RDX utilized the exact same 3.5-liter V6 architecture found in the Honda Pilot. Because it relies on that heavily proven, naturally aspirated engine, buyers avoid the massive $5,000 transmission and turbo repair bills that frequently occur with its European rivals. At number 6 is the Mazda CX-5. Most compact SUVs sacrifice performance to chase fractional improvements in fuel economy, but Mazda prioritized sharp driving dynamics and durable mechanics over fragile efficiency trends. This technical comparison shows a traditional 6-speed automatic gear set on the left next to a CVT steel push belt system on the right. Mazda chose to stick with the traditional 6-speed. By avoiding complex CVTs and their high friction points, the CX-5 reduces the risk of a total transmission failure down the road. Smart luxury buyers focus on engineering that stays out of the repair bay, rather than just paying for the prestige of a specific hood ornament. You can enjoy the premium materials and quiet ride without accepting the high-cost mechanical failures common in the luxury segment. Number 5 is the Lexus LX. Underneath its premium leather interior sits the exact same mechanical platform as the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser, making this luxury SUV an extremely durable, heavy-duty vehicle. That heavy, overbuilt capability requires a massive trade-off. You have to accept a painful 15 miles per gallon at the pump, but in exchange, you get a 400,000-mile lifespan and a vehicle with near-zero depreciation on the used market. At number 4, we have the Subaru Forester. It combines top-tier visibility with an industry-leading reliability score of 98 out of 100 from Consumer Reports. To reach that lifespan, there is a strict rule. Change the CVT fluid every 30,000 miles. Adhering strictly to that maintenance schedule helps neutralize the transmission issues that affected earlier Subaru models. Achieving extreme automotive longevity forces you to make a choice. You either pay upfront for heavy, overbuilt architecture that guzzles gas, or you commit to a rigorous and uncompromising preventative maintenance schedule. Number 3 is the Toyota RAV4. It holds its spot as the best-selling SUV in America by prioritizing financial consistency over aggressive performance or driving thrills. This bar chart compares 5-year retained value across the compact market. Thanks to its simple, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, the RAV4 retains a staggering 65% of original value after 5 years, leaving typical competitors far behind. Right next to it at number 2 is the Honda CR-V. Real-world ownership data shows this is an excellent 500,000-mile daily commuter, with early 2000s models still in daily use today. Honda achieves this by engineering the CR-V with fewer failure points and highly accessible components. Because mechanics don't have to dismantle the entire engine bay for basic work, average maintenance costs can drop to roughly $47 a year. Conservative Japanese engineering acts as a financial defense, retaining a higher percentage of your capital, while other vehicles lose value much faster. This keeps more of your initial investment in your pocket when you're ready to trade in for your next vehicle. That brings us to number 1, the Honda HR-V. It is the absolute champion of long-term total cost of ownership. The trade-off here is size. Downsizing to a lighter frame means you sacrifice aggressive highway passing power, but the math rewards you with 34 miles per gallon and a powertrain whose mechanical lifespan often matches vehicles twice its price. Because the HR-V uses inexpensive, readily available parts and earns top-tier crash ratings, it boasts some of the lowest accident repair costs and insurance premiums in the entire market. The smartest vehicle purchase often involves disregarding brand status entirely. When you prioritize a small footprint and proven mechanics, you experience far less financial friction throughout your ownership. We've covered what works. Now we need to look at the marketing trap. Popular vehicles that hide chronic mechanical failures behind aggressive branding and outdoor lifestyle commercials. Take the Ford Explorer from the 2010s. On paper, it was a roomy, stylish family hauler. In reality, many buyers were hit with massive repair bills due to catastrophic transmission failures, often resulting in sudden $3,000 invoices before reaching 100,000 miles. Then there's the Jeep Wrangler. Despite its massive popularity, owners frequently report chronic electrical faults, oil leaks, and the dangerous suspension death wobble that violently shakes the vehicle at highway speeds. Prioritizing heritage aesthetics and weekend off-road fantasies over daily engineering reliability has a direct cost. It leads to lower safety ratings, high insurance premiums, and a resale value that can drop significantly once the warranty expires. Buying a vehicle based on marketing hype rather than its mechanical track record can lead to thousands of dollars lost in the service lane over just a few years. Focusing on the 10-year running cost rather than the sticker price reveals the real impact of an SUV on your long-term budget. Let's find exactly which model fits your life. This quadrant chart breaks down your choices. For low-cost city driving, choose the HR-V or CR-V. For all-weather family space, pick the Outback or Forester. For premium features without the luxury repair tax, select the RDX or LX. So which of these SUVs would you trust to keep for the next decade? Let me know in the comments below. Choosing the right vehicle buys you something very valuable: freedom from the stress of constant financial surprises. Thanks for watching.